Here's how to delete your Instagram watch history. Now, I have my iPhone as well as my Android. I'm going to show you the exact steps to be able to delete that watch history on either device. Now, the first thing we're going to do is get to your settings. So tap on the profile button at the bottom right. And after you've done that, tap on the three lines at the very top right there. And next you can see midway down under how you use Instagram is your activity. Just tap on your activity here. And from here, scroll down to the bottom. Under how you use Instagram, you should be able to see watch history. If you don't see watch history, it's potentially because you don't have the latest version of Instagram because they're constantly rolling this out. So if you don't see that, just on your iPhone or Android, open up the App Store or Google Play Store, and then just from here, search for Instagram. And if it says update right next to Instagram, just tap on update to get to the latest version. After you've done that, you should be able to see that watch history, and just tap on watch history. It'll show you all of the videos that you have watched. To delete them, tap on select at the top right. And then you can select them one by one. Or if you scroll to the bottom, you should be able to see the ability to select all of them, either with two fingers or just by tapping a bunch of them. Sometimes it gives you the ability to remove all of them at once, but sometimes you also need to just select them one by one and hit remove and then remove. Just like that, your watch history will be deleted for those specific videos or all of your videos. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.